Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To check the battery code on your Dell XPS laptop, you'll need a few essential tools. First, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge while working. Begin by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws that secure the back panel. There are typically a few Phillips screws to remove. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew these, storing them safely as you will need them later. If you're unsure about the number of screws, refer to your user manual or a repair guide specific to your model. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious and work slowly to avoid breaking any clips. After removing the back panel, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the battery. It is usually positioned near the bottom half of the laptop. The battery code is often printed on a label attached to the battery itself. If you need to clean the internal components, this is a good time to do so. Use a can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating, ensuring your laptop runs smoothly. If at any point you feel unsure about performing these steps, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues you may be facing. After checking the battery code, carefully replace the back panel. Align it properly, press down to secure the clips, and then reinsert the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight and secure to prevent any rattling or movement. Finally, turn your laptop back on and verify that it powers up correctly. If you encounter any issues with the battery or performance, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transporting your laptop to a repair shop, no calls, no travel. Always remember to obtain a quote before any repair work is done, so you know what to expect in terms of cost. This ensures transparency and helps you make informed decisions about your laptop's care. Following these steps will help you maintain your Dell XPS effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.